Welcome back to Carteret Mobile Park. Now we're looking at a one bedroom, one bath at lot O-12 in Carteret Mobile Park. It's a land lease community in Carteret, New Jersey. Oh, that's a lovely kitchen. So it's a beautiful sunny day, and you've got this awesome awning on the one whole side of the house. That's a $9,000 value. And here you see the house from all sides. It's got gray siding and black shutters. I love the little edge along the bottom. It's actually there to protect the skirting from any weed whackers. This house has an alarm system and cameras that will be staying with the house. And like I said, the value of this amazing awning. A concrete patio, almost maintenance-free little lot. Here you see the custom built steps. Here's the back area next to the shed. Let's go around the shed and I'll take a peek at the back. Here you see the central air conditioning and the propane tank that supplies your heat and your cooking. Again, looking at this area, it's a meticulous house. It's gorgeous. You've got one car parking in front of the house. There's visitor parking next to the office. There's the neighborhood. It's awfully quiet. There we're building 2 new houses. And the one in the corner is a 2-bedroom and it's already sold. So going into the house, you've got this very heavy-duty storm door. Here you see the kitchen, LED lights above. Here's the living room. You've got a living room fan, and you've got this beautiful vinyl flooring. You've got drywall in the impact area. In the industry, the impact area is considered the kitchen and the living room. It's sunny and bright and very cheerful. It's a great, great little house. I like to give everybody a peek from every corner of each room so you can kind of see the angles. There you've got your double windows in the front. There's your device for the alarm and the cameras. Here's your 18-inch cubic refrigerator, your stainless steel appliances, your dishwasher, your microwave, your stove, and a wonderful farm sink. Here's a view from this angle. These are wood cabinets with adjustable shelves. You've got laminate countertop. Here's your stove. You got the European pools on the cabinets. Your microwave above the stove with a fan. You've got a glass tile backsplash. You got a gooseneck faucet there. Your dishwasher. And your refrigerator. So 4 stainless steel Whirlpool appliances. Here's a closer look at that glass tile backsplash. It's got a little pretty blue tone in it, even though they call it pearl. So from this angle, got plenty of room for a big table. You've got your lights above and your vinyl flooring. Then heading to the back, this is your furnace. This runs your forced hot air and your central air conditioning. This is a Miller furnace. Then going into the bathroom, again, the vinyl flooring. Your commode, your cabinet above the commode, your framed mirror, vanity, porcelain sink, And this is a perfect shower with lots of grab bars. Makes it really easy to step in and step out. You've got 2 seats on either side and a very low edge there for people to be able to go over it. Charming. So here is your stackable washer and dryer. And finally your bedroom. So I'm assuming that's a full-size bed, but you got plenty of room to add an even bigger bed. Here you've got 2 bypass doors for the closet, 2 double windows on the far side. I'm assuming the electric panel's behind the master bedroom door there. And your water heater is behind the drying rack. So let's take a peek from this angle. Closet doors and water heater. Now let's take a peek. I'll move the drying rack. There it is. Nice slow view of the bedroom. So if you're interested in this house or any other in Carteret Mobile Park, go to the website myhomeincarteret.com and fill out the pre-qualifying questions, which will elicit a series of emails explaining the process, financing options, our community, and lots of other information. We're looking forward to hearing who the lucky homeowner of this gorgeous little house will be. Thank you for stopping by. Please like and subscribe. And now enjoy the still photographs. This house was built by Dolan Homes. Dolan Homes has been building homes in New Jersey in our 3 communities since 1954. These are Robert Dolan here is the managing partner, and you also have Xander Dolan and Patrick and myself. It's a small family business. We build manufactured homes in our 3 mobile home communities. So it's Carteret Mobile Park, Edison Mobile Estates, and Harbor Crossings. We have a fabulous crew. They've been with us a very long time, and they put these houses together very quickly. Conception and Raul are the main crew. Here's Conception. Here's Raul. We're 4 generations. The first generation has now passed, and then Robert and myself are the 2nd generation, and then our nephew and our son are the 3rd generation, and then our grandson and grandnephew are our 4th generation. We have lots of advantages to owning your own house in Carteret, New Jersey. Carteret Mobile Park is located right near the turnpike, and on the other side is Route 9 and Route 1. We're very conveniently located. You could be in Manhattan in 25 minutes. You could take the train into from Rahway into New York City. We're a land lease community, so we provide that in emails when people contact us and answer our pre-qualifying questions. So this is our address, 1501 Roosevelt Avenue, Carteret, New Jersey. And this is our the original farmhouse in the front of the old farm, which was converted into a mobile home park. Our entrance is on Blair Road. We see everyone by appointment only. So once you make an appointment, you'll follow the signs to reach the office. You come in on this side street. This is our maintenance building, not our office. And I have signs on it to let people know. And there's little banners on the light poles to tell people how to get to the office. There's plenty of signs to show the way. This is the back part of the maintenance building, and I have a little sign there that shows that this is not the office. This is the maintenance building. So we have beautiful homes. Here's a whole series of them. It's very quiet. It's very safe. We're very proud of the beautiful homes that we build. Here's a gorgeous house, just a 1-bedroom. Here's another house. I believe that's also 1-bedroom. This one's a 2-bedroom, 2-bath. This is a beautiful flowers in some of the tenants' homes. It just looks so pretty. Everyone takes care of their places, and it's just a delight to be here, and all the residents love it. We're really honored to be a part of making the American dream of home ownership a possibility. This was a beautiful story where this gentleman bought this house and found the American flag in the shed, and it was a very moving moment for all of us because he had just migrated from Cuba. So we get a lot of immigrants coming to us as their first home ownership, and it's such a pleasure to help them. Or downsizing or upsizing. We have all sorts of people in our community. So come join us, myhomeincarteret.com.